Welcome to Parkview Reserve, a community designed for convenience, comfort, and a true sense of home in the heart of Dr. Phillips, Orlando. Located just off Daryl Carter Parkway, this neighborhood offers private home sites with peaceful pond and conservation views, giving you a quiet retreat while keeping you close to everything you need. Living here means easy access to top-rated schools like Sand Lake Elementary, Southwest Middle, and Lake Buena Vista High, along with great shopping, dining, and entertainment at O-Town West and Restaurant Row. You're also just minutes from Dr. Phillips Community Park, where you can enjoy walking trails, playgrounds, and beautiful lake views. With thoughtfully designed homes and a prime location, Parkview Reserve is perfect for families, professionals, and anyone looking for a balance of city convenience and suburban charm. If you're thinking about making a move, our team at Ben Lobby Homes is ready to help. Contact us to schedule a tour and find your next home.